GOODFIX and FIXDEX Group was established in 2013. It is a high-tech enterprise combining the function of R&D, production, and distribution, owning 4 large-scale manufacture units with more than 500 staffs. Being one of the largest production scales in China for the anchors and threaded rods. Our Phase 1 factory, Hebei GOODFIX Hardware Manufacture Co. Limited, covering 30,000 square meters, mainly producing all kinds of anchors, including wedge anchors, mechanical anchors, chemical anchors, sleeve anchors, and jogging anchors, with more than 150 staffs. Monthly output of anchors is more than 20 million sets.
Wedge anchor, also called throw bolt. It comes still with nut, washer, clip, or spring washer. It is widely used for penetrating objects fastening on concrete and natural hard nails, like equipment, guide rail, bracket, etc. For the material and harness, we have different levels like grades 4.8, 6.8, 8.8, 10.9, etc. for customers' use. For the surface treatment, we have electrogalvanizing, HDG, mechanical zinc plating, and decromat. For solid spray testing time, we can do 48 to 158 hours to electrogalvanizing and can reach 1,000 hours for HDG. We adopt the most advanced environmental protecting galvanizing technology to protect our wedge anchor against corrosion. The thread can be drawn with 1 or 2 lines as depth mark. You can choose red line, yellow line, blue line, or according to customers' requirements. For equipment, we have a large number of advanced production equipment, including 25 sets of multi-station high-speed coal-heading machines from Chunzhi and Sijin. We have 20 sets of high-speed rolling machines from Taiwan Jiancai that effectively ensure our wedge anchor can pass the test of gauges 100%. Also, we have 25 sets of high-precision punch machine, leather and milling machine, more than 20 sets automated assembly processing machines which can ensure the high consistency of product performance. We are completed equipped factory. We can produce full specification of anchors from the smallest size to biggest size. We are one of the largest manufacturers of anchors in China, since our capacity of anchors can reach 20 million sets per month. For our company, we are manufacturer of anchors and very professional. We own the completed equipped quality inspection laboratory with strict quality inspection processing and professional quality control team. So our product quality has reached the international advanced level. We are ETA and ICC certified factory. We own ISO and CE certification. We have not only produced our own FIXDEX brand wedge anchor, but also do OEM for many famous international brands.
Chemical anchor is one of our company's advantageous products. The normal sizes are M8 to M30, and the length is from 110 to 380 millimeters. It is produced with Q235 material, which can meet the maximum attributes. Normally, it is produced as grade 5.8. We can also do grade 6.8 and 8.8. Our products are generally composed of stud, flat washer, nut, and chemical pipe. There are various types of chemical anchors, such as hex head chemical anchor, special hex head chemical anchor, flat head chemical anchor, double flat and stud, high bond chemical anchor with flat point or V point, and the tail treatment is usually engraved or milling tip. High-strength fastener. FIXDEX has standard thread rods in inch sizes with diameters
We are a certified factory of ETA, ICC, CE, and ISO 9001. We are a national high-tech enterprise. We are a participant of making and revising two of national standards. We are a specialization, refinement, differentiation, and innovation enterprise. We are a postdoctoral study center and provincial R&D innovation platform. We are industry academia research base and pilot base of China Fastener Research Institute. We are ISO 1401, OHSMS 1801 certified enterprise. We are becoming the OEM factory of many international brands. At present, the company's own FIXDEX brand has become the designated brand of REG, well-known curtain wall companies and elevator companies, due to the high quality and high cost performance. The product has exported to Europe, America, Japan, Southeast Asia, and other countries. Choose FIXDEX, choose products with strong, durable, and safety. Here we are warmly welcome you to visit our factory and hope that we can become the long-term strategic partners.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, I'm Cici, CEO of FIXDEX Group. I'm so glad to meet you all. Appreciate to have you here watching our live show. More than 10 years of international trade experience, FIXDEX is well known for its high cost-effective hardware product. We're familiar with the different standard and quality demand. According to sufficient analyzed research supporting by marketing and technical team, we supply the accurate products with customers' local market demand and always exceed customers' expectation. The high-quality product and professional service make us get the unanimous praise of customers at home and abroad. FIXDEX manufacture exemplified creative, durable, and safety. The epidemic has cut off our face-to-face meeting. While that passed, we warmly welcome everyone to visit our factory. I believe we will become your reliable partnership and long-life friend. Thank you for watching.